So most people see an old typewriter and they go, it's trash, you can't type with it, it ain't worth nothing, right? But the letters on it are pretty cool. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my grinder, my Dremel, and I'm dremeling off the back. I've already moved it from the typewriter and threw the typewriter away, all the valuable little parts. And then these have become pretty cool. So once it's all ground out, see, smoothed out, then I can start spelling out, making rings, necklaces, and stuff like that. You only get one letter because obviously it's a typewriter, but there's a lot of cool symbols, you know, in this thing. The percentage signs, shift lock, par. If you're a golfer, it's kind of cool. Like par 5. Anyway, there's all sorts of combinations of bracelets for women and neat designs you can make just by using an old typewriter I bought at an antique store that could never be used.